It's still October 19th, Tuesday. We're doing the final countdown here. I think everybody's wearing down. It's almost 3 o'clock. And we got some serious headway today. I bought another 20 sacks and had 10 before I came, so I'm going to have to do a count. But there's at least probably 60 sacks here, maybe more, maybe 70. I think all this was dumped here over the years. I'll take you up, show you how nice it looks here. Yeah, it's pretty deep too, huh? Look at all that trash. Well, it definitely wasn't clean and green chem again. We just got a little minor sweep up here tomorrow on this. Some of the surface stuff, all the big stuff's out of there. We got a few bags to get out. A lot of these are nearly full. I made some bags for the 2-pad workers, so they felt special. This came from the beach. I had 2 girls go for the beach, but here's our 2-pad bags. Pretty nice, huh? 2-pad Eco Warriors. Hopefully we can get them joining us. So. But yeah, this was a battle. This is like 4 days of work on this thing, including the September drive, and another one tomorrow. Finish it up. So 5 days with a whole lot of help. And I was able to fix the tire on the boom over there. We had a couple big guys here that could help haul it up. So she's back to completely sealed off. No garbage getting by. Man, what a pile. I think that's the biggest pile of garbage I've seen. Even Jesse came by today and looked at it. That's more than my truck can take. They're gonna have to bring the big boy down here to get this. And we'll be back. I gotta go say goodbye and thanks to the boys here.